So Dwayne Wade is leaving the Miami Heat. Yes, those words I said out of my mouth, and it's not a threat. It's not a thought. It's a reality. And it makes no sense. Point blank. I got this way wrong. I thought it was just flirting. I thought it was ridiculous. He just wanted to shake up the Heat. And you know what? He should have. He's been with the Heat a long time. He's been their greatest winner. He talked about loyalty and family and came up with the hashtag Heat Lifer. He is the definition of that. 3-time finals champion. Key cog on every single championship. Finals MVP. Hall of Famer. Probably top 20 player in NBA history. Third best shooting guard ever. All under the Miami Heat. And Pat Riley gets all this credit. No, Dwayne Wade should get the credit for building the Miami Heat into a champion. Riley laid the foundation getting Alonzo Mourning. And then it was Dwayne Wade. Riley didn't want to draft Dwayne Wade. All the people had to talk him into drafting Dwayne Wade. He originally wanted Bosh. Bosh was gone. Then he wanted Chris Kaman because the Heat needed a big man. His people said, no, Kaman would fit the team. This guy is transcendent. This guy is the future. This guy is the franchise. And he became just that. Took the Heat to a new stratosphere. You're talking about the Heat as one of the better organizations. It was because of Dwayne Wade. Pat Riley didn't get LeBron James and Chris Bosh. Dwayne Wade did. Dwayne Wade did it all. Dwayne Wade gave back money. Dwayne did. I'm not worried about sacrifice and this and that. That's what you do. Tim Duncan does it. Dirk Nowitzki does it. The great players do it. Fine. However, the great players also get taken care of and are also brought into the fold. What this whole experience tells me is the Heat didn't do that. The Heat got so used to Dwayne Wade just doing whatever they wanted that they just said, yeah, we'll take care of you later. Are you serious? Dwayne Wade should be in on the meetings. Dwayne Wade should be in on everything. And Dwayne Wade should know he's respected, he's appreciated, you're grateful, and he's going to get his. He didn't know any of that. This whole thing is an abomination. And those of you that are saying, well, they need to turn the page. You don't want the Kobe situation. It's not, you're moronic. You're an idiot. You don't get how to do simple math, and you don't get basketball. The Kobe situation was a totally different thing entirely. First of all, the cap was like 65 to 70 million. So Kobe getting 24 or 25 million is a third, if not almost 50%. It was almost 50% of their cap. Well, this is a little different as the cap is 94 million. So Wade's money that he wanted, which was only a few million more than what the Heat eventually offered, was like less than a third, and it's more like 25%. On top of that, more 20 to 25%, and on top of that, the cap's going up another 15 million next year. Okay, so it's going to be even less of the cap. So there's that. Not like Kobe. Second, Wade was playing well. Kobe was done. Kobe was, this is all for what you've done for us. No, Wade was the best player on their team. He played the healthiest he had in 5 years. One. On top of that, in the playoffs, he carried them. And it's only 2 years. He can play that way for 2 years. So this is nothing like the Kobe situation. And with the new cap, you can rebuild on the fly. He will have cap space. Because first of all, it's going up 15 million next year. And you were done. They were capping him out anyways. So what does it matter this year? And we all know, I don't care what they tell you, what Bosh and the Heat tell you. Bosh is done. He is. There's not one doctor that will sign off on Chris Bosh. Not one. Okay? So that means he's done. So that means he will retire. And upon retirement, he will get 24 more million. So the Heat were going to have $40 million to work with next year. This is nothing like Kobe Bryant. This is the Heat being prideful pieces of work and being cocky and arrogant and expecting Wade to take less. No, why? Why should Wade take less? For what? He was your best player. And in this market where Luol Deng, who was non-existent in that Raptor series that Wade carried you to 7 games, got $18 million. Why is Wade not worth 25 for 2 years? Ridiculous, ludicrous, asinine, and all on the Heat. I don't want to hear, well, we tried to get rid of Mick Roberts yesterday when he was taking meetings, and people were seeing us as vulnerable and asking for Justice Winslow. Duh, we get it. You're not giving up Winslow to make room for a 34, 35-year-old. I get that. However, why did you wait till yesterday? Riley always sells off assets when he's trying to make a big push for a free agent. Why wouldn't he have done that before Durant? Come on. This is not Riley. And that's a lame excuse, and I don't even believe it. They want to save favor. You're not saving favor in this. This is all the Miami Heat. All the Miami Heat. It's something I never thought would happen, and the Heat look really bad. Pat Riley looks really bad. Dwayne Wade, words can't describe what you've done for the city, what you've done for the sports town. You are basketball. It's not even Marino than you. You are South Florida sports. You will get your statue, and hopefully it's not. And the Chicago Bulls situation sucks. They're rebuilding. It's a worse basketball situation for not much more money. This was purely pride. The Heat tried to stand tall and look down on Wade. Wade overran them and spit in their face. This is the Lube Tube.